The Indiana Chamber announced that it is working with a local lab to make sure businesses have access to quick test results if a possible COVID outbreak is detected. The same lab handles tests and results from across the country. WRTV's Adam Schumes got an inside look at the process and the people working to provide those results.
Because we are established right now, we're able to stay in front of all the testing. Obviously, the back there is COVID, but this is also full molecular.
Patients Choice Laboratories in Indianapolis is processing more than 1,000 COVID tests a day to get people the answers they need.
We have two different types of PCR tests. One, we guarantee a 24-hour return, and then we are on the front edge of a different PCR test that we work with our suppliers with. We can get that test done within 2 hours, and it's a full PCR test, very same sensitivity, specificity. We're real confident in that test.
The PCR test is considered the gold standard of COVID testing. It can detect the genetic material of the virus. Patients Choice opened in 2013, and President Brad Moss says the company made a major decision at the beginning of the pandemic.
March 2020, we made the decision to jump into COVID testing. You know, we've discussed before, we're an infectious disease laboratory, so for us, it was somewhat easy pivot to make, and it went crazy right out of the gate.
Patients Choice receives tests from 49 states, and beginning on Friday, the lab will get them from New York, too. Working in a lab, the staff is used to keeping equipment sanitized and wearing protective gear.
Up until a few weeks ago, we had been very good at people getting COVID, but the Omicron, I think, just is so transmissible that we had a few folks go down at the same time.
When we were at our prime peak COVID, everyone had those little blisters on the sides of their thumbs from uncapping and recapping.
Cassie Washam is one of the molecular technologists at the lab, and right now she's in the process of checking testing samples. She's seen firsthand the impacts of COVID-19.
Within my first week of being here, it was kind of a quick awakening to how prevalent COVID is. There was actually a family that I knew, and as I was writing the test, of course, on the tubes you see a name, date of birth, and I saw the whole family that I knew. And I mean, I'm not able to tell them the results and things like that, but it really hits home when you see someone that you know.
Each machine in the lab can handle 382 samples at once.
And then it'll go on to the quant studio here.
From start to finish, this process will take about 6 hours.
The axis down here represents the cycles themselves, and the more positive you are, the quicker you'll pop up. I've seen a sample come up positive around 9. That's like you're really going through the worst viral load, the heaviest stage of sickness.
With each positive or negative test that Cassie records, the pandemic continues to hit that much closer to home.
It's extremely worrisome, especially when I think about, my family members that are at risk, just myself and the way it's impacted my life.
Working for you, Adam Schumes, WRTV.
Well, Patients Choice Laboratories also offers curbside PCR testing with same-day results. You can find a link to register on our website at WRTV.com.